we alone, or is there other life in the universe? We believe that life arose spontaneously on the Earth, so it must be possible for life to appear on other suitable planets, of which there seem to be a large number in the galaxy.
The Earth has to be just right for this, just right for that, then perhaps we are alone. Well, I don't think so. Because if you look at the number of stars in the heavens, perhaps 10 billion trillion stars that are within the range of our telescopes, and you realize that perhaps half of them have solar systems around them. And if you play the odds, you come up with the realization that perhaps there are billions of planets in our universe that have conditions that are compatible with life as we know it.
If they are more intelligent than us, they will see the future much better than us. They will see outcomes that we cannot foresee. They will simulate scenarios that we cannot even dream of. They can outwit us every time. But when we look at aliens in the movies, we're basically projecting our own consciousness in aliens. Our fears, our desires are projected, and they are a mirror of who we are, not a mirror of who they really are.
If we discover higher intelligent aliens, they must have went through more difficult problems than humans ever have. Therefore, we can learn how to solve problems together with the aliens.
And that zone, that gap between science fiction and science fact is just going to come together. And, you know, I've never met a science fact that couldn't be seen as interesting as some of the best of science fiction.
They may be able to see the outcome of future events much better than us. They'll be able to actually run circles around us because they see the future.
Given how tribal we have all been, especially in recent years, where we are finding reasons to separate ourselves and then fight, to find life somewhere else might be the first occasion to unify Earth as a tribe of its own.